So, Dino's going to show us something else interesting here. What you're looking at here is standard cell phone, smartphone, but he's going to do a bit of a magic trick with this one. So let's see what you got to show us.
Okay, well, I wanted to make sure this is a basic smartphone, and it also has NFC enabled in it. So one of the things we think NFC beyond mobile payments is very useful for is to simplify the user experience in terms of sharing video. So what we've done here is...
But sorry, NFC is really slow. Video? Sorry?
So but we're not using NFC to transmit the video. We're actually using NFC as a trigger to take advantage of using Wi-Fi as a transmission vehicle for video.
So we're sort of going back to the Wi-Fi display stuff we just looked at.
Exactly. Looking at Wi-Fi display and then using NFC as a bootstrap to basically make it very simple and seamless for a user to take advantage of. So for example, we've got a video playing on the phone. You want to share it. Well, how do you do it? Do you have to go through a bunch of menus and set it up? Or is it very simple just to touch and play? And one of the things we've done is, so we have this is a Wi-Fi enabled TV. We have the credentials for a Wi-Fi connection in a tag that's embedded inside this remote control. We touch the phone to the remote control, and what it ends up doing then is passing the Wi-Fi credentials for the TV to the phone. The phone establishes automatically a Wi-Fi direct connection and then starts streaming the video. So now what you've done is, though you're playing it on the big screen and sharing it, your phone now becomes your remote control. I can rewind, I can pause, I can play, and I can share the whole user experience as if this was a remote control and I'm watching video on TV. And then when I'm done sharing, I can go on my merry way, tap the phone again, and now the video continues playing exactly where it left off on the TV. So this is a way, I think, to take the technology capability that we were talking about with Wi-Fi display and turning it into something with the addition of NFC technology to a vehicle that makes it very easy for the average consumer to take advantage of this very complex capability.
Well, you don't need to remember your Wi-Fi passwords or your settings, or you don't need to fiddle around with anything. It really is magic.
Yeah, and hopefully, even the person who isn't very comfortable with technology will find this very comfortable to take advantage of.
No, exactly, because there's enough consumers who don't really know how to do this, but they want to share their videos or their photos or whatever. So, yeah, this is definitely something we hope that a lot of companies are going to implement in their products in the future.
Yeah, our expectation is by this time next year you should see some pretty significant large consumer electronics OEMs having this type of capability built into their products.
All right, cool, thanks.
Thank you.